This is our 618 BOYAR-SCHULTZ 2-axis automatic grinder. So it can be used in a manual mode like a regular surface grinder. You can also use it in an auto mode where the table moves left to right and feeds in and out. The machine also has power elevation of the wheel head. Also a 618 Walker chuck, which is in really nice shape, and a auto lube system. It's not the prettiest grinder we have, but if you listen, it runs really well. Bringing on spindle. Very quiet. This raises and lowers the work head. This lever, if you go in this position and bring this down, this is for wheel dressing. This position is the auto mode. Now comes the opposite direction when that handle is down. This is our BOYAR-SCHULTZ 618 2-axis automatic grinder.